Hello. Today we will guide you through how to create Canada Gmail account. To begin, open your web browser on your computer or mobile device. You can use any common browser as long as it is connected to the internet and working normally. Once the browser is open, go to the address bar at the top of the screen so you can enter the website directly. Next, type gmail.com into the address bar and load the page. This will take you toward Google's Gmail service, where you can begin the account creation process. Make sure the web address is entered correctly so you are directed to the proper site without confusion. When the results or page options appear, click on the official Gmail or Google page. It is important to choose the official page so that you are signing up securely through Google's Real Account system. If you see multiple links, look for the one that clearly belongs to Google or Gmail. This helps avoid unofficial or misleading websites. Once you are on the official page, look toward the top right area of the screen and click Create an Account. This is the option that starts the registration process for a new Gmail address. Depending on the version of the page you see, you may also be asked to choose whether the account is for personal use, business use, or another purpose. Simply continue with the option that matches what you need. After that, enter your details to create the account and then follow the on-screen procedure. You will typically be asked for basic information needed to set up the account. As you complete each section, review your entries carefully for accuracy before moving on. This can help prevent issues later when signing in or recovering the account. Continue through each screen as prompted. Google may guide you through several setup pages such as choosing your email address, creating a password, and confirming information. Follow the instructions shown on your screen until the process is complete. If any field is required, make sure it is filled in before proceeding. As a final tip, take your time while entering information and read each prompt carefully. If the page asks you to verify something, just continue with the guided instructions provided on screen. Once everything is completed successfully, your new Gmail account will be ready to use. That's it for this guide on creating a Canada Gmail account.